Hello, welcome to our weekly tech tip number 4. Today I want to show you about high-speed machining settings and how to modify the post-processor for that. Today I want to show it especially with the Sinumerik driver. So let's do that. First let us create a new post-processor based on Sinumerik. So let's name it test, or not test, let's keep the naming convention here, Sinumerik. Let me save it on a proper location here. So I will use the Sinumerik one, the Sinumerik out of the box layer and the machine level. So create the post processor that we starting from scratch. So the first important thing for high-speed machining settings for Sinumerik is at the end the controller version. Because in Sinumerik you have a different cycle 832 settings, and let me show it on a sample. So after creation I just post-process it, and in the output, so you see a lot of C code lines here because I use this cool functionality of adaptive milling operations. So we have here a cycle 832 output, and it's an older format. So that means the newer controls of Sinumerik supporting it like with a variable or like underscore finish underscore roughing. And to change this behavior, it's easy to do. Just go to the controller version and you see, okay, it's a power line. So power line is a very old one, but still available on the market, or there are a lot of machine tools. So let's switch it to solution line. And for sure you have to take care here which solution line version you have. And so normally we support out of the box directly the 4.5 and 4.7, or lower 4.5, but this is power line. So let's say we have the 4.7, one of the latest one. Save the modifications, close this listing window, let me use a smaller operation, and now scrolling up, and you see here now, okay, now it's underscore finish. So this is dependent at the end on the controller. Really major setting here, take care of the control version. Because this also influences directly all the cycle output, like the cycle tab, cycle, drill cycles, and so on. One of the requests we often get is, okay, so currently when you take a look here in CAM, when I go under the methods, I have this millrough here, and currently it is assigned the high-speed machining finish milling, the out of the box. But what is when I have my own method? Yeah, you can do that. So let choose another one. So this is one I created here. It's named with a library reference HSC 001, and attach it. So if I now post process this, let me open post configurator again here. Post process it, then we get the underscore off, what means it's not taking care currently of our method. So, but we can change it. At the end we go to the cycle 832 settings, and there's a one important one. This is this method setting here. Currently it's default, that means it uses standard library implementation, but you can customize it. And to customize it, let me change it to custom value. Click on this edit to open the TCL editor that we can modify. And now the second thing we need here is the help. And we have a good integrated tooltip help here. In this context it will tell us, okay, in standard library we using this standard library references OPG0 00021, and finally we set the variable names Siemens method to roughing, to rough finishing, or to finishing. What does it mean for us? Okay, based on our cut method librev, we can set up the correct value and set the variable Siemens method. So let's do that. It's a little bit tickle now. So first let me use the snippet here for the if one. Then I don't have to take care of brackets. Then we have to ask the current variable value of the mom cut mthd libref. So mom cut mthd underscore libref, and for sure you can use TCL functionality like string compare or something. Let's keep it simple here, and let me say it's our method name, this one. And if the libref is HSC001, then we make it global, the Siemens method. And now let's say we set it, in this case it's finishing. So finishing. Okay, that's it. Let's save the modifications, save the post processor, and now post process again, and we could see the finish here. Okay, so that's today for this tech tip. By the way, sorry, I have to add this. You can also use it, for example, if you want to set it with an UDE, you can set it at the end. This is really the important thing here. Set the Siemens method to finishing, roughing, or semi-finishing, or semi-roughing, and then you can use every variable to influence it. Okay, then talk to you in our next weekly tech tip.